Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Here are 25 easy and tasty lunches for people with diabetes. Eat high-fiber foods like beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains to help prevent blood sugar spikes. When eating out, opt for grilled food instead of fried, load up on fruits and vegetables, and drink water or unsweetened tea. Prepare lunches in advance by roasting vegetables and proteins or cooking whole grains for quick meals. Macronutrient needs may vary based on factors like age, sex, activity level, and blood glucose control. Consulting a nutritionist is recommended. Choose high-quality carbs rich in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats for a balanced, diabetes-friendly lunch. When eating out, be mindful of portions and choose menu items like salads with grilled protein, fruit or soup, and water or unsweetened tea. Meal prepping techniques like roasting vegetables and proteins, making sauces, and cooking grains can make healthy lunches easy. A variety of lunch ideas are provided, including sandwiches, salads, soups, grain bowls, and more. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak